In a color of gray that's so dark it's almost black, we have a 2010 Harley-Davidson Road King. Right off the bat, you see upgraded mirrors, levers, grips, and ape hanger handlebars, and that is not a factory Road King front fender. LED headlight. Highway pegs have been added. Previous owner spent a lot of money, you're not going to have to. Windshield bag. Upgraded fuel gauge. 67,000 miles as of right now. Upgraded gas cap and a nice set of Reinhardts you can enjoy without having to pay for them, as well as leather pouches on the front of each saddlebag. Docking hardware is in place. And as we come around to the starboard side, you'll see a high volume air intake. Stage 1 kit, no doubt, between the Reinhardts, the air intake, and the computer flash that makes everything work together perfectly. This bike is available for a test look. It's gorgeous to test listen. Reinhardt pipes sound great to me. And a test ride 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.